Hi, my name is Damien Heslin. I'm the owner here at DroneWorks Ireland. DroneWorks Ireland specialises in the sales, repair and hire of commercial and consumer drones for the Irish market. There are two sides to our company. One is the consumer, which is the hobbyist, and the other is the commercial side, which is the large industry drones. Consumer drones have advanced so much over the last few years, and that's through battery life, quality of camera, obstacle avoidance, transmission range, and we have them all here at DroneWorks Ireland, from the 249 gram up to the kilogram, 2 kilogram drones. We have an array of accessories, chargers, filters, ND filters. We stock Polar Pro ND filters. We stock DJI ND filters, propellers, propeller guards. We have them all here at DroneWorks Ireland. We offer a full trade-in service on all DJI and Avail products. You can trade it in for store credit, which you can put towards a new drone, or you can trade it in for cash. To avail of our trade-in service, just go onto our website and check into the trade-in section. You can fill out the details, ship the drone to us, we will evaluate it and get back to you with your trade-in price, either for store credit or for cash. So if you're interested in a consumer drone, a commercial drone, whether you want to trade in, a repair, contact us through our website, droneworksireland.ie. We'll be more than happy to help.